Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious chocolate mousse cake, step by step. First, let's prepare our cake base. You'll need 200 grams of dark chocolate and 100 grams of butter for the base. Grease and line a 9-inch springform pan. Bake the cake base for about 25 to 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until a toothpick comes out clean. Now, let's create the star of our dessert, the rich chocolate mousse. Melt 250 grams of dark chocolate with 125 milliliters of heavy cream until smooth. In a separate, chilled bowl, whip 350 milliliters of cold, heavy cream until it forms soft peaks. Carefully fold the whipped cream into the cooled chocolate mixture, being gentle to maintain its airy texture. With our base and mousse ready, it's time to assemble this delightful treat. Place your completely cooled cake base back into the clean 9-inch springform pan. Carefully pour the prepared chocolate mousse evenly over the cake base, spreading it gently to the edges. Then, the most crucial step, chill the cake in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally, overnight. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for, decorating and serving your magnificent chocolate mousse cake. Gently remove the chilled cake from its springform pan. You can decorate it with elegant chocolate shavings, a dusting of cocoa powder, or vibrant fresh berries. For perfect slices, warm your sharp knife under hot water before each cut. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.